Hi dear students, how are you? Fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel International Relations and Political Science Study. Today's topic is Mediterranean Sea, the junction of three continents and prospects of economic cooperation and theatre of conflict. This is the map of European Mediterranean Sea. Let me show you. This blue color is shape of or map of Mediterranean Sea, but there are other many seas and small seas in the Mediterranean Sea. Let me show you. This is Adriatic Sea. This is former Yugoslavia. Now it has been segregated into many states, and this is Italy. This is Adriatic Sea. Adriatic Sea is in between these states: Croatia, Slovenia, Bosnia-Herzegovina, Montenegro, Albania, Greece, and Italy. This is Ligurian Sea. This is Balearic Sea. This is Tyrrhenian Sea. This is Ionian Sea. This is Aegean Sea. This is Black Sea. This is Sea of Crete. And Italy is boat shaped. Now see, this is just like a boat shape. This is Spain. This is France. France has two countries. Is adjacent to are bordering with two seas. From this side, from Asian side or eastern side, there is Mediterranean Sea, and from western side there is Atlantic Ocean. And this is Bay of Biscay. This is Bay of Biscay. This is entirely an Atlantic Ocean which borders Africa and Europe. This continent is Africa. This is Asia, and this is Europe. Now let us move to the topic. The Mediterranean Sea lies at the junction of three continents. Number one continent Africa, number two Europe, number three Asia. This is, now if you see the map, this is Israel, this is Lebanon, this is Syria, this is Turkey. These are the countries of Asia. And this is Sinai Desert, which is a part of Egypt. This is Africa, and this is Libya, this is Tunisia, this is Algeria, and this is Morocco, home of Sahara Desert. Okay, let us move. I think you have understood the map of Mediterranean Sea. You have known the areas of or boundaries of the Mediterranean Sea. Now let us move to our topic. The Mediterranean Sea lies at the junction of three continents, Europe, Africa, and Asia. The Mediterranean Sea is connected with the Atlantic Ocean by the Strait of Gibraltar, with the Red Sea by the Suez Canal, and with the Black Sea by the Sea of Marmara. I will inform you another paragraph. For centuries, the Mediterranean Sea has been the meeting point of Asian, African, and European civilization, and played very important role in the development of shipping and trade. It has been source of mingling of cultures and races of three continents. Mediterranean Sea is surrounded by 22 littoral countries, which together shares a coastline of 46,000 kilometers. It is also home to more than 500 million people living across the three continents. It accounts for about one-third of all global tourism, and several countries such as Spain, Italy, Greece and Turkey rely on tourists for a large part of their income. The Mediterranean Sea separates Europe from Asia and Africa. The Europe is in the north, Asia in the east and Africa in the south. European countries under the patronage of United States, in order to perpetuate their control on the North African and Middle Eastern countries, endeavor to establish a new regional organization of Mediterranean Sea Region Cooperation, which includes all littoral countries. It will consist of Egypt, Libya, countries of North Africa, Algiers, Morocco of North Africa, Israel, Lebanon, Syria, Turkey of Asia, Greece, Cyprus, Italy, France, Spain and other smaller countries of Europe. Leaders from Europe, the Middle East, including Israel, North Africa and the Balkans, are contemplating materializing the concept of regional economic cooperation. These countries have chalked out the contours of the Union for Mediterranean, a new forum to bolster regional cooperation among the peoples of three continents. The amalgamation seeks to cement or mix a partnership between Europe and the countries of Mediterranean Rim, including Arab countries and Israel. All countries in the Mediterranean Sea region are supporting each other to achieve cooperation in vital fields. The new cooperation would boost economic and social relations and may exert influence upon Israel to relax its atrocious policy towards Palestinians. The people of Mediterranean Rim would benefit from each other's experience, provided the concept is materialized in letter and spirit, as it will bring North African countries closer to the European Union. The military of majority countries are in the Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea is connecting the oil-rich Saudi Peninsula with huge energy-consuming countries of Europe. Region is home to three monotheistic religions of the world. Through this important sea, commercial trade is carried out among countries of three different continents. Its importance has increased manifold due to the Ukraine war and NATO expansion and Russian resistance. The Cyprus dispute between Greece and Turkey is a threat to peace and development in the region. There are two most important states of the world in this area. The Strait of Gibraltar. Understand, the Strait of Gibraltar, which connects the Atlantic Ocean with Mediterranean Sea and separates Spain on the European continent from Morocco on the African continent. Let me show you on the map. This is Strait of Gibraltar, this is Spain's part and this is Morocco's part. This is Atlantic Ocean and this is Mediterranean Sea. Means Strait of Gibraltar connects Atlantic Ocean with the Mediterranean Sea and separates Morocco, which is African country, and Spain, which is a European country. The second is the Suez Canal. The Suez Canal connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea, making it the shortest maritime route to Asia from Europe. Since its completion in 1869, it has become one of the world's most heavily used shipping lanes. The Suez Canal is in Egypt. Let me show you the map of Suez Canal. This is Suez Canal, this is Red Sea, and this is Mediterranean Sea. It connects Mediterranean Sea with Red Sea. Red Sea again comes to Bab el-Mandeb, and this is part of Arabian Ocean. This is Arabian Peninsula, and this is African coast. This is Egypt, this is Sudan, this is Eritrea, and this is Somalia. Now come to here. Let me show you. It is clear. And this is Egypt, this is Sudan, this is Eritrea, this is Djibouti and down, this is Somalia, and this is Saudi Peninsula, and this is Saudi Arabia, and this is Yemen, and in their side there is Oman, and this is Red Sea. Suez Canal is here in which connects Mediterranean Sea with Red Sea. Now let us see another canal which Israel is planning to build to lower the status or importance of the Suez Canal. Israel plans to build a canal which connects Mediterranean Sea with Gulf of Aqaba and then to the Red Sea. From here to here, this will be the canal, and it across the entire Israel, and it will shorten more routes from Mediterranean Sea to the Israel and Gulf of Aqaba. And this is Saudi Arabia, Arabian Peninsula, and this is sea, and this is Red Sea. Israel is the plan of Israel is only to lower or reduce the importance of Suez Canal and dependence on Suez Canal of European countries. That's why Israel plans to build this mega project. It is still in papers and it is not completed, but it will take some time. The Strait of Dardanelles lies between Greece and Turkey, connects Aegean Sea with Sea of Marmara. Another state is Strait of Bosphorus, lies between Asian and European Turkey, connects Sea of Marmara with Black Sea. Now let me show you the pictures of these states. This is Aegean Sea, this is Mediterranean Sea, this is Greece, this is part of European Turkey, this is Asian Turkey, and this is Black Sea. And this small part sea is Sea of Marmara. And this strait is known as Strait of Dardanelles, which connects Aegean Sea with Sea of Marmara. And if you remember, for the understanding or easiness, this is Black Sea. Black Sea, and this is Sea of Azov, this is Russia, this is Ukraine, this is Crimean Peninsula, and this is Bosphorus state. Bosphorus starts with the word B, and Black Sea starts with B. Means Bosphorus Sea and Bosphorus state connects Black Sea with Sea of Marmara, which is European Turkey and Asian Turkey. Okay. This is Bulgaria, this is Romania, this is Moldova, this is Ukraine, and this is Serbia, Montenegro, this is Greece, this is Aegean Sea, and this is Cyprus, which is disputed between Turkey and Greece. Wish you good luck. Take care of yourself and others. Thanks. Wish you good luck.